Hi
Okay.
guys! Magandang tanghali. Ay, hapon na pala. Kain kami ng tinapay.
The hearts.
Yan.
Yeah, I will come with you.
Tinapay the hearts daw.
He
Tapos,
said no. We cannot do
yan.
anything.
Tinapay na buko. So,
Foreman, I don't understand
Tapos
the difference
ito,
of the foreman and the short.
Ano yun?
Yeah, who's the
Ano
foreman?
to?
anong tawag yan? Square. And
Because
heart.
foreman is short.
Heart square.
Yala, take one. Kuha ka
It's
na.
different on our perspective because
Yes.
the foreman for us is like under or
Sabay
below
tayo.
the
1, 2,
supervisor in our country. That's why I get confused. Yeah.
That was yummy.
This is from Mr. Abdurrahman, or the operations are
Talaga
the ones who
kumuha pa
are
ako.
requesting for this. Yes.
Mm.
Which from inspection.
Mukbang kami guys.
Oh guys.
Well, it's from inspection, that is cool.
Patangbukan kami ni mama.
Yeah, I mean, the request came from
Madami
us.
aming parang
Inspection, right?
sa ako na dalawa.
Okay.
Magpadama kami dalawa kay mag-residing sa kitchen. Oh.
Oo nga guys. Magsalita ka lang. Lilain mo sila.
Kain guys.
Ayaw ko guys. Ininom mo guys. Suka yan guys.
Tikman tuloy ko.
Pagtayo mo nito, Pin.
Kulod na dira ay ko kuruta ha.
Marami na guys.
Lahi ko na napanay.
Hindi mo na alami. Magbabay ka na. Bye guys.
Kakaon-kaon pa lang naton. Bye-bye guys. Kakaon pa lang naton.
Siyempre pag mahaba wala na tayong viewers.
Okay lang na. Basta magkakwarta to.
Paano nga mga pera niyan? Eh, hindi nga wala